Does it feel like your eyes are constantly begging for relief? Whether it's due to endless hours in front of a screen, harsh weather conditions, or just not blinking enough, dry eyes are becoming a modern-day epidemic. But what if I told you there are simple, natural solutions that you can do at home? No expensive eye drops, no prescriptions, just remedies that work? Stick with me, and I'll share 4 powerful and proven remedies that will bring relief and refresh your eyes like never before. Dry eyes are more than just a minor inconvenience. They can cause discomfort, blurry vision, and even affect your productivity. In today's world, the constant exposure to screens, air conditioning, pollution, and even aging are some of the main reasons our eyes are losing their natural moisture. But the good news is, you don't need to rely on chemical-laden products or break the bank on treatments. In this video, I'll show you 4 all-natural remedies backed by science that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine to bring your eyes the hydration they desperately need. Let's dive into remedy number 1. Let's start with a classic and super effective remedy, the warm compress. You might think this is just a simple trick, but it's a game changer for anyone dealing with dry eyes. Warm compresses help unblock the oil glands in your eyelids, which are often clogged, leading to poor quality tears. They also increase blood flow around your eyes, providing immediate relief from irritation and dryness. Here's how to do it. Take a clean towel, soak it in warm, not hot water, wring out the excess, and gently place it over your closed eyes. Sit back, relax, and let the warmth work its magic for about 10 to 15 minutes. For best results, repeat this remedy twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed. It's a simple habit that can make a big difference in restoring your eyes' natural moisture and reducing irritation. Next, we have aloe vera gel, one of nature's most powerful healers. Aloe vera is packed with anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties, making it ideal for soothing dry, irritated eyes. But remember, we're not applying it directly inside the eyes, only around them. To use aloe vera for dry eyes, extract fresh gel from an aloe vera leaf, or use 100% pure aloe vera gel available in stores. Dilute it slightly with distilled water to make it gentler. Then, using a clean cotton pad, apply the gel around your eyes, focusing on the under-eye area and eyelids. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. This remedy not only hydrates the skin around your eyes, but also reduces puffiness and soothes inflammation. Do this once a day, preferably before bedtime, for the best results. You'll wake up with eyes that feel refreshed and rejuvenated. Now, let's talk about nourishing your eyes from the inside. Your diet plays a massive role in your eye health, and omega-3 fatty acids are essential for combating dry eyes. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation in your tear glands, improving the quality and quantity of your tears. Foods rich in omega-3s include fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. If you're vegetarian, you can get your omega-3 fix from flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Adding just 1 serving of these to your daily diet can work wonders for your eyes. If you're not getting enough omega-3s from your food, consider taking a high-quality supplement, but always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement routine. Finally, let's tackle one of the biggest culprits of dry eyes: too much screen time and too little blinking. Did you know that we blink 60% less when we're staring at a screen? This drastically reduces the moisture in our eyes, leading to dryness and discomfort. Here's a simple blinking exercise. Close your eyes fully, hold for 2 seconds, and then open them slowly. Repeat this 10 times. Doing this every hour can help stimulate tear production and keep your eyes hydrated. You can also follow the 20-20-20 rule to reduce strain. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. It's a small habit that can make a big difference in maintaining your eye health. A few bonus tips to enhance your results. Use a humidifier in your home or workspace to prevent the air from becoming too dry. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day, and always wear sunglasses when stepping out to protect your eyes from wind, dust, and harmful UV rays. Now that you know these 4 amazing remedies, it's time to take action. Which remedy will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more natural health tips. Take care, and here's to healthy, happy eyes.